Real quick, if you don't know me, my name's Peggy Dean, and I am an artist and educator, and it's my favorite thing. I love talking to you guys about all the tips and processes, and I will never stop doing it. Hi, everybody. I just recently had a 5-hour plane ride where I thought I was going to draw and open Procreate and felt completely chaotic because I had so many artworks that didn't make sense, and the organization options just are lacking, if we're being honest. So I figured out my own hack, and every time I open Procreate, I'm so eager to jump in, and I feel like I can find everything just like that. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So when I open Procreate, boom. Here's the thing, when you stack things in Procreate, you know that every single time, if you're not familiar, when you stack things, it's gonna change the name of the stack every time. And it was driving me crazy because I'd have to rename it, or if I'd forget, I'm like, I think this is the right stack. So now all I have to do is when I have a new piece of artwork and I know where I wanna put it, you're gonna press select, grab the one that you want on top first. So in this case, it is landscapes and scenes, and then go to that artwork and then say stack, and then it's gonna put it right in there, and it will preserve the top setting because that's what I had tapped first. Now, in order to do this, all I did was created a canvas that on it, I just added some text. I added some artwork that represented what was going to be in there, and then I have that first in the stack. So I just dragged it and put it up here, and that's it. Best tip, right? You can thank me later. Also have another one coming on brushes. It's just too good when you find a good trick that helps. So I hope this helped.